guess the girls just got out of control.
The what? The boat?
I guess the growth of the boat.
Oh, yeah. I think that there are fishes there. It's good for the fish, because the fish, they can eat. So check this out, guys, man. There's a lot of these plants underwater. I don't know what you call it. Is that an algae? What is algae? Huh? But you're in science, right?
Algae booms.
When I build my mansion, I want to be on the water edge. Not really on the edge. I want to be on a hill looking down on water. I just love water. Beautiful. So now, walking down the boat area. So today, guys, beautiful day. So it's a lot of birds we are going to kill with one stone. We're going to the zoo and also the Macloon boat house, and now we are here at the lakeside. As you can see, all those boats are there. You can take a ride down. 2 people, $17. And the more you add to the group, it's the more you are going to pay. So decide on what you want to do. Do you want to get with your friends and come on down, or do you want to just go out with a partner and enjoy? So as you can see, beautiful sight, and over there, look at the mountain. It's so picturesque. My family and I is out here in West Orange Boathouse. We're just enjoying. Say hi, Sage.
Hello.
Hello.
And there goes Kimani and Sage Poo. Joven is over there. Say hi, Joven.
Hey, what's up?
Guys, this is a lovely lake down here in West Orange. The zoo is just right over there. First time out on the lake in this beautiful boat. It's a nice day today, good temperature, and we are just here having fun.
Yeah, the weather is pretty good. Not too hot.
Not too hot. That's right.
We got some duck.
Hey, the stretch queen. Where? Oh, do you see it? There's a duck in front of you. There's a duck. Oh, look at that. I see a duck right there in the water. We just passing by. Right there.
Are we stopping the boat ride?
No, we're not. We're just taking a break, just cruising.
In?
Cruising. Meaning you're not really trying to go fast. And as you can see, look around, guys, a lot of boats all around on the lake. People with their families just enjoying. Not really. Guys, you can't slow down.
this thing isn't wide enough. How would they make it like this?
What?
It's
Like it's too long?
my heel is keeps hitting the thing.
Mind your buddy.
Jamaica, remind me.
Late at night.
Oh, we went outside one day, slept over, we went outside. It was so nice and cool outside.
This is how.
Just out there,
Oh, where?
at the front,
Find a building.
about like 10 o'clock. A lot of people, they were just hanging out and we out there just...
PM.
Yeah, it was late. It was 9, after 9. We were just here by the car and just relaxing.
Here?
At home.
Oh.
That night when she was at home. But the breeze was so nice and cool out there. We were like, oh man, I'm not going in. Tutu train is right over there.
Will.
Got his favorite hair wet and his hat in the water.
Say, said you jump in it safely. She hears you wrong. Older, say six.
I'll just I know.
Well, and a nice drink would be great, like a pina colada, surely something.
Oh, you finally drinking?
Kimani done broke out. Huh?
Your boyfriend got you in there having some drinks?
That life jacket is burning.
Always like when they
That's the
do
only
this.
thing you know how to do.
No, I like when those little kids be doing this. That's all I know how to.
Okay,
Sage, don't drop my head.
I already know.
She's on the boat with.
Train at West Orange Park, the Turtleback Zoo. I'm going by right now.
Isn't that beautiful? Just riding down the lake. Yeah. Voila. Kimani, check the time because I guess if you go by they start charging you again. Is that how it works?
No idea. I guess we do one lap and then bring it in.
What time did we start?
We haven't been
About
here.
5 minutes ago.
Probably been like 5 minutes. You guys is gonna eat it? On Friday?
Nice. There goes Sage and Kimani. Sage, peace out. What about your channel?
She said
Are you
swag.
posting on your channel, Sage? Huh?
What's this dance video?
Ah, the train is right there.
Bring back again.
It's a different one. I don't know where it is.
You ever been on that train?
Yeah.
With the school? What does it show?
Just take you around down the bottom and go to a tunnel.
Oh, it doesn't show you the end, doesn't go to the zoo?
Have you ever heard
Then stop by the zoo.
Have you ever heard of my
You should text me when they have a Halloween.
It just takes you through the forest or something? It just takes you through the forest?
Yeah, take you like way down there and turn around and come through one tunnel.
You should take Sage on Halloween.
Guys, the water is there, so nice. This is a relaxing day. To be out and about with your family or your loved one. I think it would be nice late evening, coming on this water, like on a romantic date. I could see it now, nice. Not now, late evening when the sun is kind of going down. Nice. Oh, look at it, Tracy turn. Turn around now and it's going back up to the zoo.
Why do they need one of those?
Gosh, kids love those. Even grown up. I like being on the train.
Why?
It's nice. This is it guys. All you gotta do with this, just pedal around just like that. So we got a boat for 3 to 4 people. You pay $22. And I think two people, how much? Was it, is it $10?
I don't know how much it is.
22 for 4.
I stopped looking when
Who
you
is
said you
18? So you just pretty much get on it and you just pedal around on the lake for half an hour. And that's pretty much it.
got a little tree.
The sun is right up there, nice blue sky. Water is right there. Wow. There's nothing like water. Water is just will just relax you. I've got out jumping. I don't know how to hold it.
Hold it with your left hand and press the button. Are you taking a? You recording a video?
Oh shoot.
Way cooler.
Everybody doing the same thing with their phone. This is a phone era. Everybody, everything people doing now, it has to be documented.
Have to go to church for it. Have to go to church to get it.
Live up. I want to show Prince your locks. Live up. I told them they have language like they don't believe it. Let me see.
You are what?
Let me see the video, Jovin. See? That's Jovin's dread. You see how long that is? You don't believe?
Why don't they believe that?
I don't know. Maybe they're looking at you as a little boy that they know.
You need to come with us to Jamaica
I'm coming.
and the next time everybody wants to see you.
I'm
Got a
coming.
planet correctly. All right.
Jovin beat up. Oh my God. You see, that's why you guys need
I've
to
seen it all.
on fire. Fire. Look at Sage after. Sage the what? The stretch queen.
Gymnastics queen.
Look at Sage the stretch queen.
Gymnastics queen.
Not the stretch queen.
Stretch in gymnastics.
Sage the stretch queen is coming from this gymnastic. Now she's on the lake relaxing. This is for your video, Sage. Sage, this is your video. Sage the stretch queen. I can't even say stretch. Sit down, say sit. All right, look at Sage, say hi. Say, hey Sage, where are you? Say the stretch queen.
The stretch queen.
Say the stretch. I can't say.
Queen.
Say the stretch queen is just relaxing after a long day of stretching.